Algorand value equivalent to $0.0993 a coin. The present reach $0.0983, $0.1001. The earlier day close $0.0994. The change was 0.0001, 0.10%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Algo. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation. The normal for the month $0.101. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.102. Change for October 1.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.102. Greatest cost $0.120, least cost $0.096. The normal for the month $0.106. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.105, change for November 2.9%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place cost at $0.105. Greatest cost $0.124, least cost $0.105. The normal for the month $0.113. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.116, change for December 10.5%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Initially cost at $0.116. Most extreme cost $0.116, least cost $0.092. The normal for the month $0.106. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.099, change for January 14.7%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place cost at $0.099. Greatest cost $0.099, least cost $0.083. The normal for the month $0.093. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.089, change for February 10.1%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.089. Greatest cost $0.089, least cost $0.070. The normal for the month $0.081. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.075, change for spring 15.7%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at $0.075. Most extreme cost $0.075, least cost $0.059. The normal for the month $0.068. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.063, change for April 16.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Before all else cost at $0.063. Greatest cost $0.063, least cost $0.049. The normal for the month $0.057. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.053, change for May 15.9%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $0.053. Most extreme cost $0.053, least cost $0.046. The normal for the month $0.050. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.049, change for June 7.5%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. Before all else cost at $0.049. Most extreme cost $0.054, least cost $0.047. The normal for the month $0.050. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.050, change for July 2.0%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.050. Greatest cost $0.062, least cost $0.050. The normal for the month $0.055. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.058, change for August 16.0%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. To start with cost at $0.058. Greatest cost $0.058, least cost $0.046. The normal for the month $0.053. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.049, change for September 15.5%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.049. Greatest cost $0.049, least cost $0.038. The normal for the month $0.044. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.041, change for October 16.3%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2025. Before all else cost at $0.024. Most extreme cost $0.030, least cost $0.024. The normal for the month $0.027. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end $0.028, change for December 16.7%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.028. Greatest cost $0.034, least cost $0.028. The normal for the month $0.031. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.032, change for January 14.3%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place cost at $0.032. Greatest cost $0.032, least cost $0.028. The normal for the month $0.031. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end $0.030, change for February 6.3%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2026. Initially cost at $0.030. Most extreme cost $0.030, least cost $0.026. The normal for the month $0.029. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.028, change for spring 6.7%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2026. In the first place cost at $0.028. Greatest cost $0.028, least cost $0.022. The normal for the month $0.026. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.024, change for April 14.3%. Algo to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. At the outset cost at $0.024. Most extreme cost $0.027, least cost $0.023. The normal for the month $0.025. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end $0.02